Today I'm going to share with you what is essentially a lazy ClickBank affiliate marketing method. Now, what we're going to be covering in today's video is incredibly simple. Anyone can do this. You don't need skills. You do not need any experience. And the potential with this method is ridiculous. I'm going to share with you the method, I'll share with you the tools, and basically I'll show you how you can get this whole thing up and running today, realistically within the next 30 minutes. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to today's video. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing and learning more, you can go over to the website. You will see on here we have got lots of articles on here, from case studies, product reviews, we do guides, and we also share literally anything to do with affiliate marketing. We have got many articles on the website for you. So for today we're going to need ClickBank over here. Now look, it doesn't matter if you want to use ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Amazon, ShareASale, doesn't matter. We're just using this for the purpose of the video. So on the page now, I am in the marketplace. If you don't know how to get here, straightforward and simple. We go to ClickBank, we create an account for free. Once we've created an account, we come over to the marketplace. Now over here, we can find all of the products that are listed over on ClickBank, where we can become an affiliate. Now you can see it down here. I am on the top offers page, and I always come on here and have a look to see what's selling well, and if there's any new products which are coming up and making people money. You don't have to go into top offers. You can go into these categories on the left hand side and go through them if you want, but I found this is a straightforward and simple way. So on here I come through. Now for the method we are looking at today, I am not going to be concentrating on things like this up here, glucose and things with like high conversion. I want some products which are relatively low priced, so that essentially we can start making some affiliate sales pretty quickly. Okay, so for this I normally tend to look around over here where it says average conversion between 10 and 30. Okay, so we go through and we have a look at this, and I'm just scrolling through, and I'm literally bypassing these $100 ones for now. Okay, so I scroll through and I find something that I like the look of. So like this one over here, numerologist.com. This one here says fully personalized VSL, that stands for video sales letter, doubles conversion rate. So it sounds good. I can see over here the conversion rate. I can see gravity score. So I can see affiliates are making sales promoting this product. I can also see it's got a rebill, i.e. a recurring. So what recurring means is somebody signs up and pays something, and they will be paying that monthly ongoing until they're cancelled. So if I promote this product over here, which is relatively low priced, it's got a decent conversion, and there is an upsell flow in here, and we can essentially earn a recurring income, it's pretty good. And they offer a $1 trial over here. So this pretty much ticks all of the boxes for me. So we want to have a look at the sales page to see where essentially we would be sending traffic. So we click on here and it opens up into a new tab. Now this is the sales page. So what are they getting on here? So name, date of birth, style. Let's scroll down. In this personalized, so look at this. They get a personalized video report. So it's pretty cool. So literally, they don't have to put in any credit card details or anything like that. They put in the name, the date of birth, and they will get a full report around this over here. They've got social proof on here, frequently asked questions, products, and lots more. So this would be the page we're sending people to. So it looks pretty good. Come back over here. We've got all of this, we've got this. Okay, so this is all around numerology. So now we know what niche we're going into. We would need to find a category. Come over here onto Google. Let's just type in numerology. Now you can see here on Google, if I go back up to the top, if I go to numerology and press the space bar, I start to get all of these keywords down here related to numerology. Okay? And you'll also notice I've got the numbers here, the search volumes every single month. I'll show you in a second how you can go ahead and get them. Now if I scroll down here, when I type in that keyword numerology, scroll down here, I can also see this on here. People also ask. So Google is telling me this is stuff what people are searching on Google. So I can use all of this here in my affiliate marketing method. Pretty cool and straightforward, it's essentially lazy. If I scroll further on the page here, come down to the bottom, I can also see people also ask, and I get more questions what people are asking. So I can start to see that there's a lot of people who are interested in this niche. Numerology gets 60,000 searches a month, so that's pretty good. I can see all of the content here, what people are asking in Google, And on the right hand side over here, I have got long tail keywords. So all of these down here, I've got all of the search volumes. That's pretty cool. Come up here, I've got trending keywords. That's something I could target as well. Then we've got more keywords up here and other bits. So how do I get this information over here where it says, the data and the keywords? Well, I use a website, which is this one over here. It's called Keywords Everywhere. Do you need this for this method to work? No, you don't. But essentially, going over to this website here, it will just give you more information that you're seeing over here on Google, like on the right hand side. But if you don't, if you don't want to go down that method, then you can just use all of the content that you see down here, okay? But if I come over here really quickly, I'll show you. Come over here to pricing, you will see this costs $1.25 a month, which is $15 billed annually. So they will give you, for $15, they will give you 100,000 credits a year for this, okay? Now, what is a credit? A credit basically means whenever you search something on Google, it will use just one credit, and that one credit will also give you all of the information down here. So it's incredibly cheap. I think we can agree on that, okay? So now I've decided on a niche. I have found a product that I can become an affiliate for. I can also see all of the content on here, what people are asking. So the next step of this whole process would be to create content. You can create content in a number of ways. It doesn't really matter what method you want to do this for, but for the sake of today's video, we're going to focus on a method which is known as evergreen, i.e. we are going to create evergreen content that people will be searching for, not just weeks from now, but months and years from now. And this is where creating niche websites is very popular with this. So obviously, if I was going to create a website, I would need to have content on there. Now, for a website, you can get free websites. You can just go on Google and type in free websites, and there is Wix, there is GoDaddy, there is Squarespace. Even Google have got their own website builder. This is free, and you don't need coding, you don't need any experience. It's drag and drop, okay? You can use that absolutely for free. Another resource you could use would be, let me think, it would be this one over here, because this one will give you two. Again, I'll put a link to this down below for you. Come over here, click on here, and if I scroll down, you can see, look, they will help you build a website in any niche with this platform over here. Scroll down here, it's literally, they will help you create two websites. They've been around for 18 years, 193 countries. It's not hard at all, and you can start absolutely for free. Look, zero risk, no credit card required. You can get two websites over here. So this is not, this process of getting a website is not a stumbling block at all. Just get a website, okay? But once you've got a website, the process is we'd need to create the content here to go onto the website. Now, traditionally, this is something that would have taken up a long time. It would have taken a lot of effort. And to be quite honest, creating content for niche websites can be boring, and it would have taken a long time. I know, because I've done it. I've spent hours writing website articles. But in this new day and age, whether we like it or not, we can use AI to create the content for us. I am doing this on a number of websites. I've shared case studies on this channel. So when it comes to creating AI content, I'll first of all share with you a free resource, okay? So the free resource is this one over here. It is called Koala. Again, I'll link it down below for you. If you click that link there, it will take you over here. Now, on the left-hand side, you will see where it says Koala Writer. It's absolutely for free. Now, what you do on here, and you can see I've put this into here. In fact, let me go back. So I don't want to lose this. Let me just click on go back. Have I lost it? Ah, oh, blimey, I think I've lost it. Never mind. So on here, a card. We'll come back to that in a second. But on here, so click the link below, it'll take you over to this page. Now, how this works is you literally land on here. You don't need to put in an email. You don't need to put in your credit card or anything. You land on here. And then all we are doing is we're putting the content into here, i.e., what do we want? Well, we want a blog post. Come down here, we want a keyword. So this one here is what is numerology theory? And all I've done here is for the keyword, I've just gone on Google here, come down to, here, what questions people ask, and I've just copied and pasted it. So like that, copy that, and I put that into Koala Writer, and you just put your keyword here, you paste that in here. Then you scroll down. Now I'll leave this on default, come down here, tone of voice, I literally leave it on SEO optimized, language, I'll leave it on that one, country, Again, you can change this to your own country. Point of view, first, second, or third person. I normally have it on second person. Use real-time search results. And then you've also got the option as well here to cite sources and all this sort of stuff. Include frequently asked questions, include key takeaways. I would include these, by the way, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to leave it like that. But once you get down to the bottom of here, all you do is you click on create article, and it will go ahead and create a full complete article for you, which you can essentially just copy and paste and put it over onto your website. So let me go back. I'm trying to see. Let me go home. Oh, it's already taken it. Sorry. So I'm going to go back over here to Koala Writer. So let's just do this really quickly for you. So I'm going to click on paste. Come down here, leave all this like so. Click on create article. I'm going to change that to second person. Create article. And it will go ahead and create the article for you. Genuinely, that is it. So what will happen here is it will create the content for you. Once it's finished creating the content, here you can see we've got a word count up here going away, and it will do all this for us. And if we scroll down, you can start to see how this is laid out. It's got headings in here. It's really good. Still going down here. Now, over on this Koala Writer, you can actually also link it to one of your websites, okay? But for that, you can't do that in the free version. You would need to go ahead and sign up and create an account. Once you've done that, you can see up here, you can connect a WordPress website to this. But here's the article, okay? Scroll further on the page here. It gives us a conclusion, ease of inspiration, choosing the best numerology chart. So it's a really good laid out article. So from here, we would need to copy this like so. We'd need to go over to our free website builder and we would paste this in. We'd then need to go and find some images, and then we would add our affiliate link in, okay? So essentially, whilst this method is lazy, because a lot of the work has been done for us, we still need to do a bit of work. We still need to put images in. We still need to embed our affiliate link. But as you can see over here, it's free, it's simple, and it just takes a bit of time. If you want to speed up the process and do what I am doing, then you can use this software over here, which is this one. Again, I'll link it below for you. It's called AI WiseMind. It works in a similar concept to Koala, except for this will do everything for you. And side note, it will even create your websites for you inside of here. You literally click on Site Wizard, go through it, it sets everything up. Now inside of here, similar layout to Koala, we come down here. So we click on campaigns, we create a campaign. What do I want? Well, I want an informational post. I can also do other product, reviews, affiliate reviews, YouTube posts, etc. But all I'm doing here is I go down, I put in the name of the campaign, keywords and URLs. But here's the great thing about this, okay? If I scroll down here, I would put my affiliate link in here from ClickBank, okay? So to do that, really simple, we'd go over to ClickBank and we'd grab our affiliate link. So we click on promote here, and then we click on create hop link. And then what happens is we get our own affiliate link, i.e. a tracking link. So this will get embedded directly into the blog post for us. So you see down here now, this is our affiliate link. So I would copy that like so. I'd go back over to the software here and I would paste my affiliate link in there. And don't worry, people would not see that on the front end of the website. But then you scroll down here and you see where it says anchors. I can leave it like this. I can put on visit official website here. And that there will become a box on the article with my affiliate link embedded. I've also got other options. I could put purchase now, shop now, check price, etc. I can also say how many affiliate links I want in an article. I can even add the color in here of the affiliate link of the affiliate box that I would want it to be. Okay, you can search for any, you just type in a color you want. Scroll further on the page here, we can add video embeds, we can add images, we can even get it to go ahead and create YouTube videos. It'll search videos on YouTube automatically for us and embed those into the article. It's insane. It really is. Scroll further down the page here. Similar layout again to Koala. Language, tone of voice, point of view, first person, second person, etc. And then number of posts to create. And then once you've done all of this and you're happy with this, you can give it a custom title, or you can just leave it as, as the title that the software creates for you. And then you just click on either post it to WordPress or you can schedule it. And that's it, done. And then what happens is, once the software's created the article, which it works very quickly, similar to what Koala does over here, it will then automatically post it onto your website for you, which is awesome. I'll show you an example. So if I come over on to, let me close this one down, let me close this one down, let's close this down, let's get rid of this and this. Sorry, I've got so many tabs open, let's close that down as well. And there we go, now we should be, let's get rid of that as well. So now if I scroll down, you can see over on this website, we make money with AI. If I scroll down here, it's done a review here for this piece of software called Repurpose. And here's the cool thing, okay? It takes the images from the website. If I scroll further down the page here, we have got our affiliate link inside of here. We've got a table of contents, and this is all done for us. I don't need to do anything other than fill in the information that I shared with you on the previous page. And then literally, it's got a full article, all done, optimized, and lazy, hands-off method for us. It's got tables in here, and I've got this software connected to a number of websites, and it's just creating content like this for me every single day. It's absolutely awesome. So yeah, look, that is today's video. That is essentially a lazy ClickBank method that anyone can use to start making money online. And it doesn't matter, which AI tool or software you're using, they all work in a similar fashion. But it's awesome and it saves so much time and effort. And this over here, obviously, I've been doing a case study on this website on here. I'll be sharing a video with you probably in the next couple of days to let you know the numbers and the stats and how this is all going. But yeah, look, whether, like I say, whether we like AI or not, it's speeding up the process. It's taking tasks which would have been, hours, it would have taken hours before, they can do it in mere minutes. I mean, it's frustrating to say the least. But, adapt, it's a case, isn't it, of adapt or get left behind. So I'm adapting. And I highly encourage you to as well. So yeah, look, take care, and I'll see you soon.